Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to easily level your sneak skill immediately after you get out of the Imperial Sewers tutorial area, and you want to still level your sneak skill really easily, but you missed out on like hiding behind a goblin or whatever in there. So the easiest way to do this is to simply open up your map and fast travel back to prison. It sounds kind of weird, but one of the easiest ways is to simply go back in here and mess with the prisoners. So once we're back here, we'll go inside. And then we'll talk to this fella. He's the Imperial jailer.
What seems to be the problem?
And you just say that you want to visit a prisoner.
Certainly. I'll unlock the door for you. Of course, I have to stay with you in there.
And so he's going to unlock the door for us. He doesn't actually stay with us because we're going to bug his character out by talking to him again. So once he's through here, we're going to talk to him again. And we're going to say we want to visit a prisoner.
I'll unlock the door for you. Of course, I have to stay.
And then he'll just close the door behind him, and he's going to go back to his desk because he's kind of dumb. And so from here, we basically have the run of the place. We're going to find this fella right here, Claudius Arcadia, and he's right next to this free to open door that you could then rest at to level up if you needed to. And so once you've kind of established like what you're doing in here, what we're going to do is we're going to sneak around to the side of Claudius here so he can't really see us when we're sneaking. And we're going to sneak till we can like see his hand. And we're going to pickpocket him over and over and over again so that we can level up our sneaking. It takes a little bit when you get to higher levels, but eventually, when you're doing this, it's a super easy way to cheese your sneaking ability. And just like that, with a little bit of time, you can very quickly level up your sneak skill. It's not quite as easy as just AFKing behind a goblin, and you might be able to find another mob later in the game that's hostile to you that will allow you to sneak behind it. But for now, that one works out all right. So I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.